Good morning everyone. Today we will study about national movements in India. So first we go to the introduction of this chapter. During their stay in India, Britishers became familiar with the political condition of India. The British East India Company took advantage of political disputes or internal weakness of India. In 1757 AD, after creeping into Bengal to uprising of 1857 AD, it established its supremacy over India in its 100 years of rule. In order to maintain this supremacy, the English gradually developed a strong administration structure. Through this administrative structure, common laws, common administrative and a legal system according to British system, according to English system came into existence. Yet the English residing in India established such laws and administration that England would get more benefits. At the coast of India, they made England prosperous and exploited India the most. Now we will go to the topic of the Great National Uprising of 1857. Some of the factors that caused the Great National Uprising of 1857 were political dissatisfaction, economic exploitation, social and religious factors, military factors, and immediate reasons like introduction of infield rifle in the army. Mangal Pandey was the first martyr of the uprising. Several revolutionaries like Nana Saheb, Tatya, Tope, Raja Kuwar Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Bahadur Shah Jafar, etc. took part in it. The effect of the the uprising of 1857 produced many effects among people. The uprising of 1857 produced many effects among people, which was the end of the company rule in India and the rule of the British Crown, that was the rule by the Queen Victoria. Change in administrative, social, religious and military policy. The reason responsible for the failure of uprising 1857 was the beginning of the uprising before the planned time, lack of central leadership, insufficient and unsophisticated weapons, importance of self-centered interest in nationalism amongst revolutionaries, lack of suitable and organized leadership, etc. Now we will go to the topic boycott and indigenous movement. Boycott